Wait. Why
I went Super Saiyan.
You with what?
I went Super Saiyan.
Bro. We're in IKEA.
Yeah, I know, same.
Wait,
Wait, what?
Your footsteps.
oh, I see you.
Where?
Oh, I see you! Yes!
I see you.
Alright, guys, let's start building our base so the monsters won't attack us.
Yeah.
Okay, I guess that's what
I
we
noticed
have to do.
it.
I actually put a desk right here, so we're good.
Okay, cover the place up, okay?
Yeah.
Oh, and also, okay, let me find this,
Place.
yeah, I found a wall.
Place.
Perfect. Okay, this is gonna. Oh yeah, use those. Oh, I see a wall. So we have to hide from the IKEA people, okay, guys?
Yeah, okay, I guess
So
this
you know
game
how
is
to play this
sus.
game, right?
This game is weird.
Yeah, we play. We know how to play.
Attach it to the. Man, this is my room, guys. My room.
Guys, we be acting like My Hero Academia out here, tell you that much. Guys, we're gonna become heroes, bro. We're gonna become heroes. We're gonna save this place.
We have a big giant one.
We're going to another place?
Yeah. It's.
Okay, I'll take
I'll take all this stuff.
Yeah, but you need to take it too, Abby. Not all of us can take all of it. So
Yeah.
Oh yeah, okay. 1 second, I'll go and get like some stuff.
my thing's full.
My inventory's full.
Okay, mine's not full yet. I think mine's not full yet.
Yeah, we got all of it. No.
Oh, my inventory's full.
There's still 2 more though.
Yeah.
Wait, can you pick them up? Let me see. Yeah, I can. Yeah, it's fine. It's just 2 lemons.
Yeah, it's just 2.
Let's run.
Alright, guys.
We're gonna take.
Huh?
Follow the whistle. Whistle, guys.
I did.
Where are you guys?
Right here. Did you get the food carton?
The name. On.
Guys, we have to do this quickly. Our goal is to survive at least more than one night.
Nah, I need a house.
No, I need to eat.
Alright.
Let me eat.
I'm hungry too, guys.
I need medkit.
Wait, are you dying?
You got time?
Yes.
Give him the med kit.
What? Drop stack, I gave you some. Get it.
Wait.
In the dog.
I can't.
It's right here.
Forgot.
Why are you dropping them?
I'm trying to use it.
Oof, 3.
Okay, now we lost everything.
I can't.
Can you pick all of it up?
Bro.
Wait, pick all of it up. Pick it up.
Fine. The whistle. Daddy, stop burping.
I'm coming to you guys.
Hold up, I need something to eat.
Eat it.
Eat.
Yeah, I'm hungry
Eat.
too.
Eat. Okay, I ate all my hot dogs. I should be able to pick all of this up now.
Okay.
Can you whistle?
Okay, I can't pick all of it up.
Can you?
Okay, I think we're good.
Can you whistle?
Okay, chill.
Wait, can you pick? Okay, yeah, we're gonna need to camp here. Bro, I hope.
Carry everything.
Bro, wait, there are no
Trey,
S.
eat some stuff so you can carry this.
Huh? Okay.
Eat some stuff in your inventory so you can carry it.
I really need a
Okay,
drink.
I'll pick up this hot dog.
I found you guys.
All this stuff up.
Pick all of it up. That's our food.
I
now.
can't. Wait, what happened to the other stuff?
What the? We kept it in our inventory.
Guys, where do we want to live?
There's fall damage in this stupid game. Oh lord. Okay. It's Wednesday, day 2.
Well, how do you eat?
Dad, you don't need to. How low are you on energy?
I'm good now.
Okay.
I don't really.
Okay, guys, let's go. We have to find a home.
Huh? Wait, I'm gonna see if he left again.
He did, obviously.
No, he didn't.
He did it?
No. I see him in a game. He's still good.
You got food. Do you guys want to live here?
This is perfect.
It's a perfect place.
Yeah. Wait, guys, put everything inside the tub.
All your food.
Okay, no, and then I'll put all my food later, but I need to.
You need a block stop.
Yeah.
base is way better, guys. We have to make it like that.
What is with you and it's funny?
Drop stack.
I mean,
Oh, guys, there's one bad thing.
Huh?
We forgot to block the door.
Oh no. Oh no, I have an idea.
X Rainbow King, stay.
I found it! Oh my god!
Oh my
Come
god.
quickly!
Stay. I'm in.
What the hell now?
How did I get hit?
Okay, I think
Did you hear that? Dude.
it's a small guy!
Run.
Where are you guys? Get back in the base!
Come here.
The little guy's chasing
On
you.
the ground! You guys, we're ruining our base!
No, I'm